studio, nigga. Listening to that shit.
Why you think Mama Star went from 3 to 1? Got them niggas ain't think I was gonna be the one. Starting in the rental, 2 niggas, 3 guns. Can't get by, baby, money like Corey guns.
See ya. Call that work, nigga.
I'm the best trapper, bitch.
Rolling with that spur. Go for a papa, bitch.
I'm the coach of the Brooklyn and Big Papa, bitch. Any waitress, you can bring them bottles, bro. You can kick these focus too. We shine and let our bottles too. MOS, nigga.
Hookup Studios, nigga. See it? Shit official. Come get your studio time, nigga.
No roof. Mama Star boss outside in this booth.
Shit real, nigga. We working. You see it. Hookup Studios. Come here for your time, nigga. Holla at my boy Shanks. He get you that good price. You already know. You want to work like a slave and feel like a king, nigga.